Hello วันนี้ខ្ញុំមានជាមួយនឹង DIMOO Zodiac Collection Series ហើយរូបអូខេ collection ដែលខ្ញុំចង់បានមាន Aquarius អូខេហើយមាន Pisces អូខេហើយមាន Leo and Scorpio okay. For the first I want an Aquarius because my sign. Okay, let's unbox. Let's go, Aquarius. Aquarius. I think it's maybe Cancer. Oh yes, Aquarius. Oh, my sign. Oh, detail. Oh my god. Aquarius. I got Aquarius, my sign. They have the card. And blessings. And where's to put this one? Huh? This one just water drops here. Yes, I got my sign. So the next, I stay here, baby. So the next, yes. Pisces, Leo, and Scorpio. Maybe these three signed. Maybe I want Scorpio the most. It's kind of cute, and Pisces, mermaid. Okay. I think it's Leo. Here, Leo. No. Pisces? No. Capricorn. But kind of cute. It's kind of cute. So I got two. Come with the water. Yes. Oh. They have things. Here, I put accessory. And then card. Here is the card. Yes, I got my sign. It's good. Bye.